Listen carefully and try to understand the jokes. Don't worry if you don't get everything. I'll explain them and some of the more complex vocabulary afterwards. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. In this second part, I'll explain some vocabulary and the meaning of the jokes. A scarecrow is a figure made to look like a person, usually dressed in old clothes, that is placed in fields to scare away birds from crops. An award is a prize or recognition given to someone for their achievements or excellence in a particular field. The joke is a play on words. Outstanding in his field means both that the scarecrow is literally standing out in a field and that he is excellent at his job. Fake means something that is not real or genuine. It is made to look like the real thing but is actually a copy or imitation. The joke is a play on words. Impasta sounds like imposter, which means someone pretending to be something they're not. Since spaghetti is a type of pasta, fake spaghetti is called an impasta. Scientists are people who study and explore different fields of science to understand how things work and to discover new knowledge. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. Everything around us is made up of atoms, which are tiny particles too small to see with the naked eye. The joke is a play on words. Make up means both to form or create something and to tell lies. So, atoms make up everything because they are the building blocks of matter and also because they lie or deceive. Nacho is a type of Mexican snack made from tortilla chips topped with melted cheese and other toppings like jalapenos, beans, or meat. The joke is a play on words. Nacho cheese sounds like not your cheese. So the joke is that cheese that isn't yours is nacho cheese. Tires are the rubber parts of a vehicle's wheels that touch the ground. They help the vehicle move smoothly and provide traction. Two tires sounds like too tired, meaning very tired. Since a bicycle has two tires, the joke is that the bicycle fell over because it was too tired or too tired. Watch again the jokes to better understand them. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.